The Adventures of Timmy the Teddy Bear. Once upon a time, in a cozy little house on the edge of a bustling city, there lived a teddy bear named Timmy. Timmy was no ordinary teddy bear. He was a magical one. His soft, brown fur held a secret that only came to life when the moon shone its brightest. Timmy's best friend was a little girl named Lily. Every night, after her parents tucked her in, Lily would share her day's stories with Timmy. She would tell him about school, her friends, and all her little adventures. One particular evening, as Lily drifted off to sleep, she wished for something magical to happen. She wished that she and Timmy could have an adventure together. And just like that, as the moon's glow filled the room, Timmy's magical secret came to life. Timmy grew to be life-sized, his fluffy fur turning into soft, warm skin. His button eyes blinked as he stretched and yawned. Lily couldn't believe her eyes. Her teddy bear had come to life. With a twinkle in his eye, Timmy extended his paw and said, "Come on, Lily. Let's have an adventure." He took her by the hand, and they stepped into a world of enchantment. They found themselves in a lush, magical forest, where trees whispered secrets, and animals spoke in hushed tones. Butterflies guided their way through the forest, and fireflies lit up the path. Timmy and Lily met a wise old owl perched on a branch. He told them about a hidden waterfall deep within the forest that could make any wish come true. Excitement filled their hearts, and they decided to embark on a journey to find it. On their adventure, they faced challenges like crossing a rickety bridge, and befriended talking animals, like a chatty squirrel and a gentle deer. They shared stories, laughter, and learned valuable lessons of kindness, courage, and friendship. As they reached the hidden waterfall, the moonlight glistened on the crystal clear water. Lily closed her eyes and made a wish. She wished for all the love, happiness, and magic in the world. Timmy wished for the same. Their wishes came true, and the forest filled with light and laughter. The animals danced, and the trees sang songs of joy. The wise old owl hooted with delight. But the adventure had to come to an end. The first rays of the morning sun began to shine through the trees. Timmy and Lily knew it was time to go back home. With a hug, a promise to meet again, and a sprinkling of stardust, they returned to Lily's room. Timmy once again became a soft, cuddly teddy bear. Lily held Timmy close and whispered, "Thank you for the most wonderful adventure, my magical friend." She fell asleep with a heart full of dreams. The moon smiled down on them, knowing that every night Timmy would come to life, and he and Lily would continue to have enchanting adventures together in the world of dreams.